Welcome to Smokin' Ass Barbecue.
Okay, while our mopping sauce is warming up over there, I thought I'd mention something. I've had a lot of people ask me why a pork shoulder from the front of the pig is called a pork butt. Well, actually, it has nothing to do with anatomy at all. And to kind of put this together, we need to go way back to colonial days up in New England. Back then, pork shoulder was not considered a desirable cut of meat. It was fatty, it was tough, and about the only thing it was good for was cooking in soups and stews where you could simmer it for a long time and tenderize it. So this created a problem for the butchers back then. They had these large cuts of meat that were not good sellers. And of course, they had no refrigeration at the time, which created even more of a problem for them. So what they started doing was taking these pork shoulders and they would put them in these little 3/4 size wooden barrels and set them out in the front area of their shop, and they'd offer the shoulders at a really reduced price. Now, these little barrels were called butts. Now, they probably see where this is going. They would put these barrels out in the front area of the shop, and if somebody was low on money, they would go into the butcher shop and they would look in these little barrels or butts and get this pork shoulder out at a cheap price and buy that. And as time went on, they started saying, okay, well, I'm short of money. I'm going to go down to the butcher shop and I'm going to buy some pork from the butt. And so that stuck around for a while, and then it kind of got shortened to where they just say, okay, I'm going to buy some pork butt. Well, later on, refrigeration came around, new cooking methods came around, and so they no longer needed to put the meat out in these barrels. Still today, the name sticks, and so that's why we call the shoulder a pork butt. And now you know the rest of the story.
Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon.